How to create the AI baby dancing videos. A lot of people are using this babies to create dancing music and dancing videos and all of that. And mind you, it is not only babies that you can use it for. You can use it for adults, celebrities, presidents. Some of us have seen our president in so many viral videos, the US president and the like. So you can use absolutely anybody, any celebrity to make this AI dancing videos. But most people find it interesting to use more of babies because babies are cute and all of that. So today I'll be introducing you guys to free AI tools that you can use to create these videos that you can post on Instagram, on TikTok, even on YouTube here. Just that you have to be very careful with copyright infringement on YouTube. So you have to, do your due diligence. And I will be muting some of the music on this video because I don't want my channel to suffer copyright infringement. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So to start with this, you have to go to TikTok and check for the video of the person you want to use. That is a dance video of somebody, an actual person that you want to use. You can go to different platforms and see videos, dance steps that you like. It could be a very influential person's own or a celebrity's own. Go to TikTok and download that video. Then after downloading the video, you have to take it to this AI I am introducing you to. So I'm going to be introducing you to two AIs. And one of those AIs is the one you're already using. All of us are already used to it. You have to watch this video to the end in order to get that AI. In fact, that one is more than absolutely free. Very, very free. Very, very free. So you are going to be using, and some of us don't even know it. Some of us have not used this AI platform before. Yes. The second AI tool I'll be teaching you, some of us are very familiar with it, but we have never used it before. Or we don't even take notes that, oh, it can actually do it, and we work with it every day today. Every content creator work with it. So I'm going to be teaching us what that AI tool and what that editing tool can also do. You can do this type of video, and I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. Please encourage me by liking, by sharing, by commenting, and by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And please, if you want me to, talk about anything, any topic at all on AI tools, on trending videos, or how to make something, or educate you on a particular tool, please leave the comments in the comment section, and I'm going to be doing just that. And because I am here because of you guys. So thank you, and let's get right into the video.
To start, you have to come to ChatGPT and upload a picture. If you don't have a picture of a baby yet, you can upload any picture of a baby that you have screen grabbed from anywhere that you like and tell ChatGPT to make a replica of that baby. You can add to the prompt changes in the hair, dress, and anything like that. Just however you want it. Tell ChatGPT, but it should reference the picture you have attached to it, and ChatGPT is going to do just that for you. As you can see, it is loading, and before you know it, ChatGPT will generate your picture. If it generates the picture and it is not what is pleasing to you, you can always regenerate. Please, you can regenerate. After saving, the next thing you have to do is to create the dance video, and I'm going to be using CapCut. But before that, I want to tell you something. There are two types of app that you can use to make this type of dancing video. The first app is Kling AI, and the second app is CapCut. Today, I'll be teaching you how to use it on CapCut because you need more credit to actualize it on Kling AI. But it is very simple, and I'm just going to do a demo around it. But we are not going to use it to generate the image because I don't have sufficient credit on it. And mind you, if you want to use most of these AI tools, you have to pay for it. Even the CapCut, it has to be a CapCut paid version. The common feature you are going to use in both apps is motion control. I repeat, motion control. That is a common feature. So on Kling AI, if you have enough credits, you have to go to motion control. Then you have the image you want to make dance. Then you have to upload the dance video that you want to use. Then the same prompt I'm going to give you in CapCut is the same prompt you are going to use on Kling AI. So because we are not going to use Kling AI to generate it, let's stop here and then move on to CapCut directly. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We move on to CapCut. In CapCut, what you have to do is go to new, create a new video, upload the image of the person or the baby you want to make dance. Upload the image. The next thing is to scroll the features of CapCut. And while scrolling the picture, you will see a feature called motion control. That is the feature we are going to be using for this dance video. Click on it and accept this notice. After accepting, you would then upload the video of what you want that baby to um, imitate, or you want that baby to dance exactly of, which is what I am uploading right now. After you have successfully uploaded that, CapCut does not require you to put in any prompts. Immediately, CapCut is going to know what you asked it to do, which is to imitate the motion in the template video you have uploaded, and it is going to do that. You can see it is loading already, and before you blink an eye, it is fully loaded. Yes, let's play it and let's watch. You can see, yes, yes. I do not want to use this music because I don't want copyright infringement, but you can see it is demonstrating and it is
And
singing.
that is how
Yes,
to make
so
this
you wouldn't
AI
need to
training babies
pay
video.
money on
Please share,
Klingy
like,
High or
comment,
so.
and
The
subscribe
next
to
thing
my
for you
YouTube
to
channel.
do is to
Share
export
it
the
to
video
everybody
and then
shareable
upload it to
that
your
needs
channel.
to know how to make this AI dancing baby video. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.